the speaking part 1, and the topic is writing. Do you write a lot?
Yes, sir. If I am very confused about that, so while practicing, I will write and do practice.
Okay. What do you like to write and why?
I have my own personal diary of my daily routine. I am writing everything on that because I like to write my everything on my secret diary.
Okay. Do you think the things you would write would change?
It's not that, so if I'm writing something and I'm dreaming about something, it's change. But yes, sometimes I feel that it's happening around me.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you prefer typing or handwriting when you are writing?
I prefer handwriting
Mm-hmm. Why?
because, sir, while writing, every kind of mistakes we can see, and from writing we have lot of practice,